Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an opening and review on the Baby Lil Sounds Baby, what is it called? The Baby Lil Sounds, I think that's what the name of the doll is. It's a Baby Alive. I got it from Sainsbury's. I've been wanting this doll because it makes sounds. So I'm going to take it out of the box and then show you what she does, basically. I'm not going in this video. I'm not going to tell you what I name her. I'm actually going to do a different video of that. I'm not deciding on the name yet, but yeah. So let's just get started. So here she is. That's her face. She comes with a dummy, and I'll show you what that does in a minute. This is the dress she comes in, her arms, her legs, and I think she comes up with a, yeah, she comes with one of those knickers. Her dress can come off. She's a sound baby, which means she cannot go in the water like Katie can and Sophie can. But yeah, this is my third Baby Alive, and I'm going to show you what she does. I'm going to show you what she does with her dummy. So where's her dummy? Or a pacifier, you call them in America. Just sit her down. So you put her this in her mouth to make sounds. And then when you take it out, is her. Yeah, that's her. So let me put her side by side with Katie. So this one's Katie, my 2-year-old. This is going to be my 1-year-old. Baby Alive. She is a lot smaller than Katie, as you can tell. Probably an inch smaller. So, yeah. The difference between these guys is she comes with a dummy, she didn't. Yeah, she makes sounds, she doesn't, but they got the same eyes, kind of. One's like, let me just see, line them down. One's blue and one's like light green. So yeah, that is my new doll. And apparently she does things when you interact with her. So yeah, that is my new doll, and I got it from Argos, and it was £15.